Morning.
Good morning. Morning. We have arrived. No,
Not yet.
Actually not. Okay, so we haven't arrived. We are actually departing from wonderful Malapascua Island. We have the most wonderful palm tree next to us. Which is no palm tree. So, and we caught a little bit of the sun, as you can see, so that is pretty good. No, we are going to, where are we going?
Back to Cebu.
And then?
And then flying over to El Nido.
El Nido!
Which is supposed to be the most beautiful islands all over the world.
Yeah, so really looking forward to that.
See?
We're flying there, so we're going to Cebu, catching a domestic flight, which is going to be, what's the airline called?
I have no idea.
It's like, I don't know, Air El Nido or something. Let's see. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to that. So let's see how the most beautiful islands look there. How they look like. And really looking forward to that. But Malapascua Island was amazing, especially Kalangaman. I mean, we survived the longest trip ever on water in like a storm with rain and everything.
Oh my gosh. It took us like 4 hours to get back. Only 1 hour to get there, 4 hours to get back.
So imagine, in the middle of a storm, not a typhoon,
many
but
people got seasick.
like 20 people were like puking.
It's very bad.
But it was all good. We had like kind of an adventure. So if you ever travel with us, you will always have an adventure. So yeah, there we are. So heading to Cebu, El Nido, and then where are we going next then? Boracay.
Yeah.
Then we're going to Boracay.
That's in like 5 days time.
Oh, and it's my birthday tomorrow.
Ooh.
I'm getting old, 25 old. Alright.
See ya! So guys, we have arrived at the airport after like a ride with 3 different boats, a lot of waves, 3 hours drive with a car. We have finally arrived and now we're eating like some typical Filipino food. Not really.
Pizza, pasta.
Pizza and pasta. And yeah, in like 30 minutes we're gonna board the plane to El Nido.
You say it the same way like me. El Nido. Whose birthday tomorrow? It's my birthday. It's my birthday. Want to dance for me?
I have a big surprise for him.
She's telling me about this present like all the time. I don't know what it is, but let's see if we capture it on the camera. Well, let's see.
For sure we will.
Heading down to El Nido. They said it's the most beautiful islands on planet Earth, so looking forward to that. And sharing some experience there. And we'll keep you updated. Look, I caught her eating cookies. How was the cookie?
I just said I actually had to cheat on Emirates this time because there's no flight going from Cebu to El Nido with Emirates. So we've booked Air Swift. We arrived at the gate and we got some lovely sandwich, cookie,
Shall we?
and a drink. So, well done.
That's it. So there we are. So here we go, guys. We have landed in beautiful El Nido, Palawan. Beautiful out here. It was actually easy. There's our luggage driving next to us. There we are. So pretty amazing. We had an amazing flight. A little bit tired now, but now we have to get our transportation all the way to the hotel. And let's check out what this beautiful island, or the beautiful islands have for us, right?
Yeah.
So let's see. Take care. Bye bye. Here we go, guys. Let's see how I can get in here. Let's see how I can get in here. Alright, ready to go, guys. Not really sure.
Is he working?
Bye-bye.
Okay, guys. Let's do it the Filipino way. Okay, guys, checked in, ready to roll in our room. Check this out. I'm gonna take him on a tour. What's your name, bro?
Ian, sir.
Ian is taking care of our luggage, huh? Thank you, bro. Appreciate. So let's go down here. So we got our private villas over here.
To the left and then.
Oh, okay, alright. And then here, if you would like to clean your room, just close this outlet, okay?
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you a lot. Look at this.
Oy, oy, oy.
Beautiful. Anika always runs into the bathroom like the first time.
Look at this
Beautiful.
shower.
Hello. Look, that's what I call a shower. See? That's what I call a shower. Big shower. Beautiful. What do you think, baby?
Nice.
Nice. Is that the window? Open the window.
I can't.
You have to push it.
Oh.
So you wake up and you're in the middle of the jungle.
Yeah.
So you go, guys. Beautiful. And we walk out of the door and there's a pool. See? There we are. Beautiful. So I'm really looking forward to that. Really looking forward to that. Really relax, enjoy. Take care.